Today we present you with our take on a very popular Eastern European dish called Cozonac. Enjoy. Add baking powder to the flour. Shave a bit of tonka seeds for flavor. Add a bit of lemon and orange peel to spice things up. Together with some vanilla extract. Dissolve the sugar in the milk at room temperature. Crack open 8 eggs and separate the yolks and whisk them using a fork until runny. Mix the melted butter with the vegetable oil. Pour everything apart from the melted butter on top of the flour. Mix together using your hands until the mixture is not sticky anymore. Keep adding melted butter to the mixture to help with the mixing process. This technique brings air into the mixture and makes the final product a lot fluffier after baking. Cover the mixing bowl with some cling film and let it sit somewhere where it's properly warm. It should miraculously start rising. And now for the stuffing. Mix together the sugar, the cocoa, the walnuts and some rum essence, together with the egg whites. When you're happy that the dough has risen enough, take it out, spread it into equal pieces depending on the vessels that you use for baking. Take one of those pieces, spread it in half, and then lay it out flat for the stuffing. Spread the stuffing evenly. Roll it, making sure to close the ends off. Now do the same for the other half and knit them together. Put the Cozonac into a baking tray lined with baking paper. Brush a mixture of milk together with a whole egg on top of the Cozonac so that it gives it a nice browner finish. And last but not least, sprinkle some brown sugar on top. Bake it for an hour at 170 degrees Celsius in a fan-assisted oven. We hope you enjoy the recipe and catch you in the next one. Bon appetit!